Avalanche value equivalent to $34,773 a coin. The present exchange cost range $34,300 to $35,363. The earlier day close $34,460. The change was plus 0.313, plus 38%. Backwards rate, ICE to Avax. Avalanche conjecture for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $37.43. Excessive cost $46.46, while low cost $37.43. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $41.19. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $43.42. Change for July 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2024. Initially cost at $43.42. Excessive cost $43.42, while low cost $34.25. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $39.48. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $36.83. Change for August 15.2%. Avalanche figure for September 2024. Initially cost at $36.83. Excessive cost $45.71, while low cost $36.83. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $40.52. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $42.72. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $42.72. Excessive cost $53.03, while low cost $42.72. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $47.01. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $49.56. Change for October 16%. Avalanche figure for November 2024. Before all else cost at $49.56. Excessive cost $61.51, while low cost $49.56. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $54.53. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $57.49. Change for November 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2024. To start with, cost at $57.49. Exorbitant cost $62.65, while low cost $54.45. The found the middle value of cost $58.29. Avalanche cost gauge toward the month's end $58.55. Change for December 18%. Avalanche gauge for January 2025. To start with, cost at $58.55. Excessive cost $65.15, while low cost $56.63. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $60.31. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $60.89. Change for January 40%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2025. At the outset, cost at $60.89. Excessive cost $65.42, while low cost $56.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $61.08. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $61.14. Change for February's on 4%. Avalanche estimate for Walk 2025. First and foremost cost at $61.14. Exorbitant cost $66.68, while low cost $57.96. The found the middle value of cost $62.03. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $62.32. Change for spring 19%. Avalanche cost expectation for April 2025. To start with, cost at $62.32. Exorbitant cost $69.35, while low cost $60.27. The found the middle value of cost $64.19. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $64.81. Change for April 4%. Avalanche estimate for May 2025. Initially cost at $64.81. Excessive cost $69.96, while low cost $60.80. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $65.24. Avalanche cost figure toward the month's end $65.38. Change for May's or 9%. Avalanche cost expectation for June 2025. At the outset, cost at $65.38. Excessive cost $72.66, while low cost $63.16. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $67.28. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $67.91. Change for June 39%. Avalanche conjecture for July 2025. At the outset, cost at $67.91. Excessive cost $75.07, while low cost $65.25. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $69.60. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $70.16. Change for July 3%. Avalanche cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $70.16. Exorbitant cost 87.09, while low cost 70.16. The found the middle value of cost 77.20. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end 81.39. Change for August 16%. Avalanche estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at $81.39. Exorbitant cost $81.39, while low cost $63.58. The found the middle value of cost $73.68. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $68.37. Change for September 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for October 2025. First and foremost cost at $68.37. Exorbitant cost $68.37, while low cost $53.41. The found the middle value of cost $61.90. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $57.43. Change for October 16%. Avalanche estimate for November 2025. First and foremost cost at $57.43. Exorbitant cost $68.88, while low cost $57.43. The found the middle value of cost $62.03. Avalanche cost estimate toward the month's end $64.37. Change for November 1%. Avalanche cost expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at $64.37. Excessive cost $64.37, while low cost $53.80. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $60.10. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $57.85. Change for December 1%. Avalanche conjecture for January 2026. Before all else cost at $57.85. Excessive cost $57.85, while low cost $45.19. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $52.37. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $48.59. Change for January 16%. Avalanche cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $48.59. Excessive cost $60.31, while low cost $48.59. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $53.46. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $56.36. Change for February 16%. Avalanche conjecture for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at $56.36. Excessive cost $56.36, while low cost $44.03. The arrived at the midpoint of cost $51.02. Avalanche cost conjecture toward the month's end $47.34. Change for spring 16%. As to Avax expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 0.19 coins. Excessive cost through 34, while lows in 18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.25. The as to Avax figure toward the month's end 0.30. Change for April 57.9.